Hello guys, how are you? This is Charles, media buyer for Pearl Lemon, once again with another one for you guys because we want you to learn as much as you can from us. So this is more like education to you guys so that you can also find a relevancy in using our strategies. So today I bring another scenario. Let's just take, for example, that you are running your campaign and everything seems to be going pretty well. Then all of a sudden, you hover over to your search keywords and boom, you cannot see all these, but you don't know what just happened, right? You can't see all these keywords that you took time to, doing your SEO just to help the client to have the best keywords match that you want to use to target the particular audience. So what causes that? It's pretty easy, pretty simple. This is going to be a very short video. All you need to do is just hover over here, keyword status. If you set it on enable and pause, you might find that it might just pause anytime and you won't see this, and that's going to confuse you, and you'll be like, oh my goodness, I have to start the campaign again. No, be calm, just go over the platform, just see what are the options that are around your platform. It might not just be Google Ads, it might be another ads platform like Facebook Ads Manager. They all pretty much work the same. You just need to compose yourself and just look over. If you can't really see, you can, nowadays we have Chat GPT, right? Or Google Bard. You can just, just basically AI chat, open AI. You can actually just go type it in, type a query, it'll help you. But on this instance, the easiest you can just do is to just go over here and select enable so that you will see everything. If you select all, it'll just do the same as enable and pause. So just make sure you just select this so that you see everything that you need to see. So yeah, that's it for today. Nothing else from my side. But yeah, let's do another video tomorrow. Okay, cheers.